Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video small business tax workshop. This here has 8 lessons that's designed to help the new business owner with some things they need to understand and know concerning their business. And it doesn't matter what business model you have, what industry you're in, what niche you're in, what category you're in. This is universal evergreen information for the person that has a business. You know what I'm saying? But for the person that's looking to start a tax preparation service, which is the industry and career I'm in, I have a coaching program designed to help you get started from A to Z, help you to take away all the guesswork, give you a simple path to getting started, to being able to become profitable and sustainable within the first 18 months, because it's an 18-month membership program that I've designed to help you build a foundation for success without you having to do all the guesswork, without you getting frustrated, without you having to figure it all out and making all these mistakes we all make as people in general, especially with a new business. And the learning curve is going to vary from each and every individual, but that learning curve is going to be definitely shortened even more if you invest in mentorship and coaching. And so I got people who've had friends and people that they know who have tax services, but they can't help them start their own tax service because that's not their agenda. Their agenda is to help go out there and get people who need tax preparation services done so they can make money from. They're not set up on purpose to help another individual start their own tax preparation business. And that's why the people that I'm working with now who've already have people that had tax services couldn't help them get started because that's not what they're there for. And so that's the difference between what I do and what tax services in general do. You know what I'm saying? So the difference between me is I'm designed and created a program that's to help you get started much quicker, much faster, much more efficient than you can ever do by yourself, and help you get better results much faster, much more efficient than you could ever do on your own. And at the same time, I still prepare individual income taxes. I still do self-employed taxes, Schedule C's, Schedule E's, rental property, Schedule D's, all types of returns that go on individual 1040 tax return is what I still do in this industry, as well as help people who want to start their own tax preparation business get started. So this here site you want to utilize in the side description of the video, I'm going to leave a link that's going to take you straight here where you can watch this, go through these lessons at your own leisure. You can bookmark it, you can favorite it, or however you need to do it, where you can come back to the site over and over again and go through these 8 lessons or anything else you want to go through concerning this workshop. And then on the left-hand side, we have other topics that you can click on and go through to learn about based on your interest. So if you're interested in learning about IRS audits, you can click on it and pick up and pick something and go through it and learn from it and take notes and things of that nature. So if you want to learn about retirement plans, you can click on that and find out what that's about and how that works. So it's some wealth of information right here on this site that you can learn from that's going to help you become a better tax professional for the tax professional that's looking to start their own tax preparation business. And at the same time, for people who are business owners in general, regardless of what you do as a business, you can still leverage and utilize this knowledge on irs.gov website. And so if you can see that, it's a resource and a tool that you can leverage to help you get educated on a lot of things you're not familiar with, but you want to learn about. irs.gov and this website and the link I'm going to leave you could be a great resource for that. So it's not just for tax professionals, it's for people who have a business in general who might want to learn about some of these topics that's going to help them become a better business owner and help them become a better uh, business to the end user that's looking to do business with them. So I'm gonna click on one of the lessons just to show you what it's looking like. So I'm gonna click on this one here, filing and paying taxes electronically. So these are how it's broken down. You know what I'm saying? They broken down into just bite-sized little uh, videos, and some of them have different time frames on them. And when it's all said and done, they short and easy to consume. But at the same time, if you got questions and concerns about some of this stuff, you need to find someone who you can freely go to, who gonna let you pick their brain and brainstorm for free. Good luck with that. I don't know anybody. That's why I got this YouTube channel here where I'm doing free videos that educates you on different areas and different forms and different stuff that you can come check out. And at the same time, if you still need more information, you're still not sure, you still need more insight, then it's time for you to look in the mirror and ask yourself, maybe it's time for me to invest in someone mentorship and coaching program. But you got to ask yourself, how long you gonna keep trying to count and rely on free stuff before you have to get down and dirty with investing in you and getting all in to the career and the business you say you want to have, regardless of what that business model may be. So on this here website, this here information is evergreen to anybody who has a business. And I just leverage it because I'm in the career industry of tax preparation and taxation. And so I bring all my coaching clients here and I let them get familiar with irs.gov website and all the different moving pieces that this website has to offer them that's going to help them be better business owners when it comes to their business. And so even though you might not be in this industry, you can still leverage the information that's on it. You know what I'm saying? And some of this information can definitely be helpful to you if it's nothing more than you understanding from a consumer how this stuff works, being a business owner, and then vice versa. And so you want to leverage that. That's going to give you a better understanding of what's happening when it comes to your clients uh, that you're servicing. So when it's all said and done, this here site, this information is designed to help educate you and give you a basic foundation on the things you need to know about inside your new business, regardless of what business model you have, what industry you're in. This information is evergreen. It's designed to help you with that. But if you need more information, you need more uh, help with starting a tax preparation business. That's what I specialize in. But if you need help with starting a business in general, regardless of what area it is, I can help you do that as well. You know what I'm saying? I just specialize in tax preparation services because I'm 20 years in it, 14 as a business owner, so that's my specialty. But don't get it twisted. I can help you set up a business of any kind once you decide what that business model is going to be for yourself. And so I always leave my contact information in the description of my videos, giving you permission to call me, text me, email me. It doesn't make me a difference. We can set up a Zoom call, do a face-to-face, get a feel for one another, chat with one another, and see if we're a good fit for working with one another. You know what I'm saying? I would love to make that happen in 2022. If that's you, the person that's looking to start a business in general, or you want to specialize in tax preparation services like I do, I would love to work with you. I'd love for you to call me up. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let's see if we'll be a good fit for working with one another. And let me see if I can help you get your business up and running and off the ground in 2022. If you like my content, you like my channel, please subscribe. Please click the like button on the video and please leave me a positive comment. All positive comments definitely help with where I'm trying to go and what I'm trying to do inside my business. But I do understand that once I put myself out here in the atmosphere, I won't get a lot of different positive comments from different people because it's just not set up that way. The world's not built that way. The world's not designed that way. And I understand that. And that doesn't stop me from doing my videos. It doesn't stop me from doing what I need to do because I've already understood before I even hit the platform by having a YouTube channel that these are some of the challenges as a business owner we face by going online and being out there. And so we don't let these things stop us from uh, coming online and trying to build an online business because that's not going to serve us by having that type of mindset to even think about the negativity that might happen. I can't go by what might happen. So if you want to specialize in starting your own tax preparation business, my mentorship and coaching program is designed to help you. If you want to start a business in general, especially an online business, I'm definitely here to help you make that happen as well. And again, you can reach out to me. We can talk. Let's chat. I give all my clients and potential clients the opportunity to talk to me and have an initial uh, consultation on what that looks like and what that's going to take for you, and then let you proceed from there what you want to do. So I'm looking for 2022 to be an awesome season for me in the tax preparation industry. For me, going out here getting more coaching clients. For me, doing more clients who need tax preparation services. Have different specials going on when it comes to tax preparation services. I'm doing a special right now that ends the end of this month. That's a flat rate of $295, and that's regardless if you're self-employed or not. Because my self-employed amount is $450 and up, so you save money if you're self-employed or a small business owner versus someone who's working. Because, like I say, if you go into places where you're already spending $400, $500, $600, $700 every year for tax preparation services, then a flat rate of $295 uh, to leverage what I had to offer, what I bring to the marketplace, is priceless. And so when it's all said and done, I'm gonna leave a link inside the video as well where you can join my email list so I can keep you updated on the changes that's happening in the industry. If you want the latest update videos that's done by third-party vendors on what's happening, all you got to do is reach out to me by emailing me through my email that I leave inside the description of all my videos where I can send you out those uh, updated video uh, conferences that people have already done, people have already talked about. So if you want that type of knowledge and updates, I can send that to you. I can email that to you if that's something you're interested in. And I'll see you in my next video.